StandardAero is an aviation services provider which has set its initial public offering to target a valuation of up to $7.69 billion. The company plans to sell 60 million shares priced between $20 and $23 each in order to raise up to $1.38 billion. Expect to see StandardAero start trading on the NYSE starting around October 2nd under the ticker symbol SARO. Now for some background. Standard Machine Works was founded in Winnipeg, Canada in 1911 to repair, overhaul, and rebuild car, truck, and tractor engines. As civil aviation grew in the mid-1920s, they expanded their services to include aircraft engine maintenance, forming an aero engine division. By the 1930s, they were an authorized service station for several engine manufacturers. In 1949, the company incorporated as StandardAero Engine Limited, SAE, and began overhauling turbine engines in 1960. Over the next few decades, SAE grew through acquisitions and expansions, becoming one of the leading independent MRO providers. Today, StandardAero offers engine services and component repair services for various industries, employing almost 7,500 professionals across 49 facilities worldwide. StandardAero counts major airlines and aircraft engine makers among its customers. The company is now owned by Carlyle, a global investment firm, which completed its acquisition of StandardAero from Veritas Capital. Up to $155.3 million of the proceeds will go to Carlyle and GIC, who are selling some shares in the IPO. What sets StandardAero apart from most IPOs this year is its established history, which could lead to more enthusiasm and confidence for attracting investors. For more on StandardAero and other companies, please stay tuned. Bye for now.